Like many Greek villages, Mourias is mostly old. They were preparing for a funeral when we arrived. But in this village of 600 people, they have other worries than the dead. In the hotel over the railway line, 400 refugees are being housed. It isn't going well.
From the first time I saw them, I felt fear. I saw faces full of anger. I could see them thinking that I was safe in my house. Why are we suffering?
I
used to keep my daughter's bicycle outside, but one of them tried to take it. They've got a nerve. They don't understand anything.
The other day, the villagers met and told the police they were feeling unprotected and said they were thinking about arming themselves with guns against the refugees.
Obviously, everyone has to do something, and if we don't have a weapon, we'll find something else.
At the hotel, they know all about this, but it's not their main problem. There's a mental health crisis to contend with. Hossein took us to the place where, a few days ago, an Afghan man who'd been wrongly told his wife and children had been moved somewhere else without him, hanged himself from a tree. The next day, Hussein's friend Riyad hanged himself inside the hotel. His entire family had been killed in Iraq. He'd complained his severe depression was being ignored. His funeral wasn't quite so well attended as the one in the village.
He told them what had happened to his family. They gave him an injection, and he was like a robot when he came back. He was saying every day, "I'm not okay, I'm not okay," and they did nothing for him.
Over the last few months, the incoming centre-right Greek government has scaled back medical and psychiatric support for refugees to prove to an increasingly hostile public that it's on their side. Here, they can bandage their feet, but not their minds.
Now a lot of people are struggling, not only about mental health care, also when they need an operation, a follow-up after operations, X-rays, things like this. So for us, it's much more difficult to find a place where the people get treatment.
The sad truth is that the story of Mourias is, in microcosm, a reflection of how Europe has failed to get on top of refugee resettlement and to heal people. Even in hospitable Greece, these two groups of people are worlds apart. Lawrence Lee, Al Jazeera, Mourias, Northern Greece.